Hello again, dear friends, dear vintage lovers. Today we are going to do the second step. We are going to clean the pores of the veneer. To clean these pores we will have to extract everything what was left over from old varnish or old wood stain. Cleaning the pores we can simply do by washing the wood. Therefore you can eventually use a product like ammoniac, but as we all know this is rather unpleasant as it smells heavily. So I prefer doing this with another degreaser. I use solarine powder and I'm dissolving the solarine powder into hot water. Let's say that I take about 1 kilo and about 5 liters of warm water. Once the powder is dissolved, we can start cleaning our piece of furniture. We really wash the wood with the solarine with a kind of a sponge, or even for the corners or the edges we sometimes use a brush. After maximum 10 minutes we remove it by rinsing it with clear water. Use an old towel at the end so that the wood or the veneer doesn't stay too long wet. If it stays too long wet, it risks to come loose. The result we will only see when our piece of furniture is dry. The wood will have a grey or even weathered look. If not, we will still have some differences of color, meaning that not everything is gone. In that case, we will have to start over the cleaning. So, we took a little break and in the meantime our low board dried. And indeed, we can see now that the solarine did its work quite well. The wood has a grey and even weathered look now.